I was just thinking about where to go for spring break when I got a text message from one of my friends. This is pretty much what went down. Once aboard our flight, we headed off to Kansas. We were uncertain of what to expect, but we knew that this would be the trip of a lifetime. After many days of traveling, we finally arrived at the base camp of Mount Sunflower. That night, we discussed the route we would take for our ascent the next morning. We knew that reaching the summit of Mount Sunflower would be no easy task. Its elevation of over 4,000 feet makes it the highest peak in the state of Kansas. Attempting it without a guide was a risky decision, but we were feeling up to the task.
Finally made it, man.
Let's go.
Mount Sunflower, baby.
Highest point in Kansas right here. This is an epic view.
Dude, Mount Everest has nothing on Mount Sunflower.
I'm actually winded. I think I need some oxygen.
This view is ridiculous, man.
Wow.
After a good night's sleep, we got back on the road the next morning. Our first destination of the day was Cawker City, home to one of the true wonders of the world. Next up, we decided to go for a swim at the beach. As it turns out, Ramses actually ended up rupturing his eardrum, so we decided to call it quits at the beach. That meant we had only one more place to visit. The final stop on our journey was the castle at Coronado Heights. From summiting the tallest peak in the state to adding a piece on to the world's largest ball of Cecil twine, this trip was truly a journey of a lifetime and one that we will never forget. Until next time, Kansas.